Hi, welcome back to Next Level English Prep. Today, we're looking at the passive voice, the grammar structure we use when we want to focus on the action instead of who's doing it. This is super important for formal writing, news reports, and everyday English. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Let's get started. So, when do we use the passive voice? Three main situations. First, when the subject is unknown or not important. The window was broken. We don't know who broke it, and it doesn't matter. Second is to emphasize the action and not the subject. The project was completed on time. The completion is what we care about. And third, in formal or scientific writing, the experiment was conducted in a lab. This is the professional way to write it. Let's check real quick. Look at this sentence. The cake was baked yesterday. Is the focus on the cake or who baked it? The focus is on the cake. The baker's not really important here. Who baked the cake? That information isn't included. We don't know or we don't care. Is the cake finished? Yeah. Was baked is past simple. So it's a finished action. And here's the formula for the passive voice. It's the subject plus to be in the correct tense plus the past participle. Look at this. The reports are written by scientists. The subject is reports. Are is the present tense of to be, and written is the past participle. That's the pattern for every passive sentence. But let's look at how different tenses change in the passive voice. The present continuous, someone's cleaning the room, becomes the room is being cleaned. For the past simple, they built the house last year, becomes the house was built last year. The past continuous, someone was cleaning the room, becomes the room was being cleaned. See the pattern? The tense of to be changes, but we always add the past participle or verb 3. And 3 more tenses. The present perfect, they have delivered the package, becomes the package has been delivered. The past perfect, she had baked the cake, becomes the cake had been baked. And the future simple, they will finish the project, turns into the project will be finished. Every tense can be made passive. You just need to know the structure. Time to practice. Pause the video and convert these 5 active sentences into the passive voice. Remember the formula: subject plus to be plus the past participle. Ready? Let's check. Notice how each one follows the pattern. Excellent. Now let's practice speaking. Answer these questions out loud, or you can leave them in the comments using full passive sentences in your answers. That brings us to the end of this lesson. If this helped you with the passive voice, smash that like button and subscribe for more English lessons. Keep practicing those passive structures, and I'll see you in the next video.